Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub account. Let's get started. First, open a browser, type GitHub in the address bar, and hit enter. Now, click on the first link you see, and then click on Sign Up in the upper right corner. Next, you'll need to enter your email address. Choose a strong password, and pick a username that you like. After that, click on Continue. Now, it's time to verify your account. Select the Visual Puzzle option and solve the CAPTCHA by matching the direction of the hand to the object. It's super easy, don't worry. Once you solve the CAPTCHA, you'll receive a confirmation code in your email. Just enter that code here, click Continue, and you're almost done. You'll then be directed to the sign-in page. Enter your credentials, and voila, you've successfully created your GitHub account. Party popper. In the next video, I'll walk you through creating a GitHub repository. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.